Yo, we back with another video. We got a ship out today on some Nike Dunks. This ain't gonna be a long video. It's just gonna be quick and to the point, but you can see what they are. Okay, so right here we just got these Dunks. I already got them plastic wrapped. I try to do them as soon as they get cleaned, so I won't have to worry about it. So all I gotta do right now is get them in here, which I don't have to do because there's not enough paper. Let me show you what it is. These are fire. Nothing crazy. I'm just gonna get them in here. Get a box for it. We already have the label. It came with the extra. It came with the extra shoelaces. Can't beat that. But let's go ahead and get this back in there. Get a box for it and get this a little faster. Okay, so the box we got here, I think was an old Nike box, straight from Nike. We're gonna get all this extra stuff gone. We're gonna need some bubble wrap to go right here. And some of this. Right, now I'm just gonna close the box up, tape it up, and I'll catch y'all back in a second. I'm just gonna use this electrical tape to go over the first part, and then I'll go in with real tape on the top, because this is a little funky box. Really, I'm not even gonna put the other tape on top because the UPS usually always does it for me. I can just ask them and they'll do it. I'm gonna throw the Nike Dunk label on there. The label's on the other side, but I'm not gonna show you there. I'm gonna stick it right here. Okay, I was actually wrong. It's a FedEx label, so we'll have to go to a Walmart. We'll have to go to a Walmart to get this, but I'll catch you when we head to the car. All right, so we got the package right here. We're gonna go ahead, put this in the trunk, and we are off to FedEx. All right, so we just made it to the Walmart. You can see it says FedEx office right here. That's where I needed to take it. I don't even feel like going in and recording, so we just gonna call that it. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want more, like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, we out.